So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 Redbubble products that will surprise you with sales. If you're ready for this video, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel and you're someone who's looking to earn some extra money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and that way you won't miss out on any of my videos. And if you don't already know, down in the description I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features a lot of the information I used to make my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. And for anyone looking to make this maybe into a full-time thing and take this a little more seriously, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Now with that said, like I said, I'll be talking about 5 Redbubble products that will surprise you with sales. And the main reason I wanted to make this video is because I noticed in a lot of the shop reviews I've been doing in the past, people don't actually activate all of their products. Till this day, it surprised me, and till this day, it still happens. I know even some of you guys that are watching this video probably have Redbubble stores where you've not activated all of your products, but hopefully with this video, I can help you to change that mindset. And if this goes well, hopefully I can go through a few more products that I've sold that will surprise you guys, and hopefully I can implement some of the products you guys have also sold as well. But I'll talk a little bit more about that towards the end of the video. Getting us straight into this though, the first product I'm going to be starting with today is a throw blanket. Now we've just got a quick example from Redbubble, just showing some throw blankets that pop up on the first page. And with the throw blanket that I sold it at a margin of 35%, and my profit margin was $11.35 or £8.80 if you're from the UK like I am. And a lot of people underestimate throw blankets, and they don't really try to optimize their designs with throw blankets because for whatever reason they don't think that they will sell. It is an easy thing to do if you're looking to optimize your designs on products like throw blankets. All you need to do is go on the little pattern designs, and it will ensure that your design covers the full throw blanket. Now some designs don't need that, but if you have a design that's small in the middle of the throw blanket, make sure to just use that patterned effect, as that will allow you to make sure that you are making the most of the throw blanket. Now the second product that will probably surprise a lot of you guys is the Aline Dress. Now with the Aline Dress, my margins on this were quite low. I was selling it at 15% margin, which is really low. I mean, it's lower than the base margin, but the main reason I did that is because I was trying to test the design to see if it would sell if I cheapened the price lower than the competition. And in this case, it worked, and I made $5.81 or £4.43. Now, for anyone looking to potentially sell products like Aline dresses, I'll advise that you guys use the same method. Just lower your margins a little bit, make sure that they're lower than the competition, and that might actually help you bring in some extra sales. Something that worked for me, and I know for a fact that it can definitely work for you guys if you just try to implement it into your own shop. Now next one, so we have a canvas print. Now this one really surprised me. So this was linked to something that was somewhat trending. It wasn't trending through Redbubble, it was trending through another platform. There was no trademark on it, and the designs on both canvas prints were just simple text-based designs. That is the crazy thing. Nevertheless, for both of them, I think the margins came up to $23.20, but it shows there in pounds I made £9.38 on both of them, which was pretty cool. And whoever actually bought both of these canvas prints spent $139.18, which is crazy. Now when I first started on Redbubble, I would have never expected anything like this at all, but because I made sure that my designs were also optimized for things like the canvas print, it made it easier for myself to create an opportunity to get a sale, and I ended up getting one person buying 2 canvas prints, as you guys can see here. The results for canvas prints on Redbubble are quite high. There's over 126,000. But if you can niche down, sub niche into the right niche, you could potentially get yourself some sales, as not a lot of people really think about trying to optimize for canvas prints. Next up, we have one of my personal favorites, and that is kids clothing. Now, I spoke about kids clothing quite a few times in various videos, and with kids clothing, it's one of those products where, one, you need to make sure that you go into the additional settings on standard clothing to make sure that you actually set your kids clothing on. And two, once you're in there, you also need to make sure that you're picking the correct color, because when it comes to kids clothing, most people just think, oh, once I select it and make sure it's on, whatever color I put on the front t-shirt is the color that will show on kids clothing. No, it's completely different. What I'll do, I'll link a video down in the description where I go a little bit more into depth in regards of kids clothing. So if you watch that, it will show you how to change the color on the kids clothing, how to activate it, and yeah, you can just follow the steps in that video. But as for here, as you guys can see there, so I sold something, obviously kids clothing, and I got £2.85. I don't know why it's not showing the dollars in this one, and my margins I was selling it was 25%. So it wasn't too low and it wasn't too high. It was just a little bit over the base margins that Redbubble give people. And guys, as you can see, I was able to sell kids clothing. And once again, a lot of people don't actually have this activated. So if this is you, I'm speaking to you. Activate it. As you can see there, you can get sales, and on Redbubble you can create some cool looking designs like you can see in those examples. There's some of the top designs on Redbubble under kids and babies clothing, and if these people can do it, so can you. I mean, that's the best and the only way to kind of think about it if you want a mindset to be successful on Redbubble. And moving us on to another product, so this one's a bit of a weird one, and I know for a fact a lot of people don't really have any faith in this, and it is leggings. Now, when it comes to leggings, one thing that most people struggle with is the fact that they feel that their designs do not look good on leggings. So let's say, for example, if someone put up a picture of a cartoon apple, on leggings, it's just going to show up as one big apple. It might not look the best, but if you use the patterned effect, you can actually make sure that your design looks nice on any types of leggings, which is pretty cool. And leggings also come with a template, so you can always download the template and create around that. But personally, I just use the pattern effect as it makes life a lot easier for me. And as you can see there in that example, when I sold a pair of leggings, I sold them at the base profit margins of 20%, and that netted me $7.20, all in pounds, £5.84, as you guys can see there. And yes, a lot of people underestimate this, and I know for a fact a lot of people actually disable leggings because for whatever reason they don't think it will sell. But when it comes to Redbubble, you never really know what product the customer wants, so don't take any chances and make sure that you activate everything. And you could also end up in a situation similar to me here, selling yourself a pair of leggings, which I still find pretty cool till this day. But yeah, that's pretty much everything in regards of this video. They're the first 5 products I pretty much wanted to talk about. I mean, there's more products that I've sold that would definitely surprise you guys, so let me know if you want a part 2. And let's say if we get 200 likes on this video, I'll do a part 2. And what I want you guys to do as well, if you've made it to this point in the video and if you've got any sales, down in the comment section, comment down what the weirdest thing you've sold. I mean, if we get enough cool comments down there, I'll make sure to implement it in the part 2 of this video when it does go up. If you haven't got any sales at all, down in the comment section, just comment down I made it here, and I'll try to get through as many comments as I can. Recently, your guys' support has been insane. A lot has been happening for me, and I've been trying to make sure that I keep up with the videos. That's it for today anyways, guys. Stay motivated. If you're struggling with Redbubble or any print-on-demand platform, don't give up. Keep going. Your time will come. And at the end of the day, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.